Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Moonshot application. So first of all, navigate to Play Store on your mobile phone, go to the search bar, type in Moonshot, then install the Moonshot application. Click on open and this will open up your Moonshot application. Here, you'll have to first of all, click on your holdings icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now when you click on holdings icon at the bottom right side, it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to click on withdraw option at the right side of the screen. So click on this withdraw option from this. When you click on withdraw, it will ask how much amount you want to withdraw. If that much amount will be available, just swipe right to withdraw that amount. You can also click on the cash option at the top and choose to withdraw it through Solana or cash. If you choose Solana, you'll have to scroll right, then it will be withdrawn to your Solana address. So just navigate to the withdraw page, swipe right to start, then follow the prompts given and you would have successfully withdrawn your money from the Moonshot app. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.